Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today I'm gonna share UX documentation. Yes, UX documentation. So there are tons of books, obviously, out there, which provide great knowledge of UX and UI as well. And there isn't any a particular resource online available for all of those. Like there is material design for material design only, like how to use their design system, how to integrate all of the design into your app, or what can be the design, like scenario to use all of them. And there is carbon system for my bm as well, who who is which is another design system, but there isn't a particular documentation about designs, like ux design and ui design. Like yes, there are too many tutorials about ui designs, but there isn't a documentation, a documented format. So today I have found two websites, and those two websites I have been using for a long time now, and I have gone through all of them. I love them, so I am actually sharing a like what like sharing something from my treasure chest for you. It would generate a great value to your life, because all of those design resources are explained in a like well beginner friendly manner. So let's dive into those website and see what I am talking about. So here is our first website, that is lawsofux.com. And this is a website that's it. They haven't any app or something like that. So in this website they have all of those section, you can see it here. Now I used to visit this website a lot back when I was learning all of those. Now I don't remember all of those things, all of the name of the things, but I use them in my design, in my day-to-day design a lot. So I also have to go through them once again, just to revise all of them, because we are humans, we forgot everything. That's why we are still living. If does we don't forget, it would be pathetic to live, obviously. So whatever. So in this design website you can see it here, they have four section. Heuristic, I think I am pronouncing it right, but heuristic, principle, gestalt, and cognitive bias. I don't know gestalt is the right pronunciation or not. Pardon me if I'm wrong. So here are four designs, four not design, four sections, and here is the all section to see all of the principles, and you can choose one by one as well. And they really have like perfect design laws, like all of those design laws that you can include. And those are not just ux or design law, they include a lot of psychology as well, because obviously what is ux is to react according to the behavior of user. So to know or guess the behavior, we have to know about a little bit of psychology as well. So they have explained all of those here in a well defined manner, so you can visit them. And rather than that, they have a book of them, they are themselves, like they have made a book. And in the stores info section you can find a poster link also that they have created. And what are those posters actually? Those posters are actually all of the design laws in one page, in a big poster. Now if you want to hold like this design, like not design, but if you want to have this poster in your workspace, like for a wall hanging right now or something else, just for not for information purpose, but just for decorative purpose, you can have it. And it is really good. And those poster is basically the screenshot, the detailed screenshot of this website, in this of this page. And they have, and as you can see, it looks great, that they have created everything in a well manner. And those are aesthetical pleasing. And here you can see they have explained all of them and the others also. And you can see further reading section all of the other related posts here, other related documentation that explain this particular law, and this is aesthetic usability effect. So that's it about this website. Now move over to our next website. Our next website is UX stores. Now I have personally used their app a lot. I'm an Android user and I have downloaded their app and used it a lot and learned from it a lot. So they have two sections. First is UX design section, and UX design section is another categorized into another two section, that is UX process and UX laws. In UX laws you will get laws like this, those principles you can see is there. And now both, don't compare those website. Those website obviously will vary, because maybe this website like US Talks apps website have much more content than laws of UX obviously. And explaining of both of the website may differ. Obviously it will differ because it's written from two different perspective or two different person. Obviously it will differ, but both of them are great. I have learned from both of them and both of them are great. So here you have UX laws and US processes. And in the UI design section you have Figma tutorial. That is their new addition, I think, because I haven't seen Figma tutorial before while I was using that app. And here are the some of the UI principles as well. Okay, so fairly easy to use site, and you can download their app. It's up to you. And they have this article section as well, where they have included a not a lot of but number of articles. So that's it about both of the website. Both of them are great. I have used both of them personally and I love them. So this is something really close to me and that I'm sharing right now, whatever. So please use this website if you are a beginner or a learner, or even if you are a pro. Use this website to get a bit geeky about design. So that's it over this video. If you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great resources like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye for now.